Hi, boys and girls. For this activity, you are going to use the illustrations to gain more information about the story. So let's take a look at story number 1 right here on this side. Make sure that as I'm reading the story with you, you are following along. Then you are going to take a good look at the illustration that goes with the story. After we read the story, you will come to the second page where you will answer some questions about the story. I will read the questions after we are done reading the story. Story number 1. Ava loved being outside during this time of year. She enjoyed all of the outdoor activities that came with the season and the weather. All right, let's move over to story number 2. Take a look at the illustration on story number 2. Let's go ahead and read. Ava loved being outside during this time of the year. She enjoyed all of the outdoor activities that came with the season and the weather. I hope you boys and girls noticed what I just noticed is that both of these stories have the exact same text. Let's go ahead and look at our questions on our second page. Question number 1. Describe the character from the first illustration and story. So you are going to write in a complete sentence and you're going to describe the character from the first story. Question number 2. Describe the character from the second illustration and story. Okay, same thing, answer in a complete sentence, but this time you're using the character from the second story. Question 3. Describe the setting from the first illustration and story. 4. Describe the setting from the second illustration and story. Make sure that you're answering your questions in complete sentences. Number 5. Explain what is happening in the first illustration and story. And then number 6. Explain what is happening in the second illustration and story. So boys and girls, remember, it's so important that we use illustrations to help us get more information about the story.